How to find your data policy on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your data policy on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down, and here you're gonna find data policy. Click on it. Wait for a second, and this is your data policy on Facebook. What kind of information do we collect? How do we use this information? And this is all the information on your data policy on Facebook. So this is it. Guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.